in the now. Be present. Be here. Be aware that the only thing you ever have is this very moment. That's the greatest truth. Now is the most important time of your life. And you know what? You are missing it.
This one never even have edibles before then.
We have that.
Oh. So you are the bad one?
If you could sleep with a YouTuber, who would it be?
I said she won.
Is it nice?
Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you.
Welcome to another episode of Sumerthon. So, for today's episode of Sumerthon, right? I'm actually going to start out with I'll go on outside. Trucker make nice, dog own. It's madness. Anyways, it passed. Every time I realize like things pass, the dog they make one bag of noise. Like it's so annoying. Hear them. Anyways, so in today's episode, in a few, I'm gonna actually be giving Trish, you know, Trisha Rolley or Trish Sassy, yeah. I'm gonna be giving her a little, you know, makeover, give her a little glam, you know. I'm going to install a wig on her and, you know, just kind of, you know, interact a little bit. I did want to do a little mystery truth or drink with her, but I don't know. I'm feeling a little spontaneous, so that's what today's vlog gonna be like. We were supposed to kind of like do something like this a while back, but I've been busy. And like most this not even about that because it's just been crazy, you know. It's been crazy, but yeah, so she'll be here in a few. So I'm just gonna start off the vlog for you guys. Yeah, so let's go. See what reach. Hello. Yeah, with her. Yeah.
One with a long curly one.
The curly ear you want to put on. My time I say curly probably go want to put on it. Easier for maintain still. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi vlog.
Yeah, I seen Trish on my channel for the first time. It's actually the second time I've seen her. Anyways, so you have a plan date this evening.
So we normally go out like even Monday and Tuesday.
Oh, and have set date night.
Because
really? What do you want for drink?
2 cents.
Right? You can't tell me that. She can't tell me that.
I like Snoop, so that when I sit down, I always take some. That like my thing.
She tends to choose me. Get her the drink. What do you want for drink?
Yeah, Kingston 62. I heard that for some Malibu.
Or Grey Goose. Or some
I know they want for something they want to tell me. I know Grey Goose. I know they want for something they want to call.
Well, I like them. People like them. Yeah, I think she like the Grey Goose, even though it can't creep. Oh yeah, get a shot.
Yeah.
Like you can just drink it like that. No, no.
It's a shot. Yeah. So Rolling and get them thing there.
We don't drink either.
Rolling a drink. But me has a problem to drink occasionally. And not drink when I go out. Okay, that's good. How about you?
We used to like buy one liquor, you know, like I didn't something. I know I probably buy something.
Yeah.
Like that, but really not buy. We buy a smoothie yesterday and Davine Dragon. Really, I say.
Really?
Mr. Dragon.
Strong back.
I don't know, some power something.
Yeah, strong back.
Let me drink it.
I'm not drink none at all.
Just 6.
Okay, so I never even have edibles before then.
Me have that.
Oh.
Never.
So you are the bad one. Well, we are festive people. We're not alcoholics, but we like to have a good time. What? Yeah, but fireball. Oh yeah, Gary the last of the fireball. That's delicious. You see what they have, bro? When Rolley come pick you up back, you go festive. Yeah, I think that's fine. And then you can mix something for her afterwards. Actually, you want to do something for your channel?
I don't think, but I don't know if I come up with it.
So that means you don't want to do it for next day.
Or
today for your channel.
We can as well go look and find video. So
this is a shot and this is the apple tree.
Alright,
so just swallow this one time. That's so. So now bonnet or nothing.
No, that not the berry. No chance.
Yeah.
Nice.
You like it?
Nice.
I don't really taste it, you know.
What is that? Well, I don't do phone prank. I don't ever think. Yo, is that good or just? I don't know. I can't do it. Sometimes I sit down and I say, alright, let me try to do one prank. And I'm like, no, I would never, because guess what? If they prank me back, you know say them a prank me wicked, I know. And I can't take joke.
One time she might listen to 3D over
Some of that was not a prank, that was a game. Guys, this is the vlog. I should come up with the same story, right? No, man.
I listen to 3D because you know all of it there. They're supposed to kill people.
Yeah.
She vexed because I kill her.
And I game.
And that's the thing that I'm going to play a game with because I'm too teeth.
Prank just get used to it and know. When somebody tell me start joke now, I just say.
That's the thing, like when not prank, right? The first thing when you say kinda, it start make you feel away. You know yourself and say, yo, I prank this. Or you just
stop it.
Yeah.
No, you push it some more. And you want a reaction, you want something to say yes.
No, but like me say, like when them a prank you, like say when Rolley a prank you and your sister has something kinda, your sister has something out of pocket, you know be like, yo, when if I prank him, I prank me.
So my time, one time I choose something, I think that my mind and then I say, alright, then everything I prank, but sometimes I end up on prank.
You couldn't do it, you know?
Yeah, ball, because I prank Mary with my ball.
You mean as soon as the time, man?
I go sleep, a ball, you know? Wake up in the night, a ball.
No,
and you know, tell me say a prank until the next day about 1 o'clock.
They know them something there.
And
what you would do?
I think I true.
I be an idiot prank me do. Oh no, and that was really no. I could believe that the people in must have the prank fake.
I thought then some people them say enough time.
No, but like yo.
Yeah. Jesus Christ, that'd be hard to do. So she never kill me.
And the thing is, you were stuttering the whole video. Yesterday I tried to bring the video, and that's the thing. Yeah, everything enough for everybody. You wanna do it well.
But we vlog sometimes like you forgot places.
Yeah, but if you phone vlog now, phone vlog turn out in a prank. What prank? What prank today?
Because we catch him off guard more a while.
Yeah.
You have to do it depending on how.
Yeah, I understand. Because sometimes like if you're in the car, you have to pretend to have vlog. Like what do you have? You tell him, say, boy, you're going left him.
Yeah.
What's my deal?
Yeah. But if I do it like a vlog for show him off.
Yeah.
When we want him come out of the car and make a scene out there that we don't want, but he's not sucking at the car.
No difference, sir. Make a scene.
Yeah.
I did which part that? Which restaurant?
Over Fridays.
Oh, you want to make a scene?
Hello. Yeah,
John Wester, you're not easy.
Yeah. At one time, one program I did upon him said me I hide from my side man. A police nearly come in because what me do if I put me out and the police see it and I say, what go on? And him stop away and ask where I walk. And we have to say, I'm not an officer, something we I try to deal with. I'm not going to get serious about that, really.
more vlogs over there and stuff?
You say vlogs like cooking stuff and
Oh, you like cook them?
but but there are stuff like everything there.
Okay, regular lifestyle stuff.
That's true. Me do like pranks and everything over that channel. We can't carry it over this.
No, you can't. No. No one did that. Are you? I don't want you to feel like I'm me, Bonnie.
So what you gonna do for sleep when it's not your hand?
You did my medication at the time.
With one gear, you know that nice soft pull back vibe there?
You like it too?
I'm not sure, eh?
Oh,
that's why we need to get the camera.
Oh, that is too anti-venin or something. She don't want your speaker
No.
or something there.
No. I just want it to low and let me do what I want to do.
So I'm going to feel mirror now? Jesus!
I'm going to feel mirror on there. What do you know then?
Alright, wait. Alright, I'm going to go feet now.
Yeah, this feet from sometime now.
I got me to do one, you know.
You want to
Yeah, I'm
check
saying no.
over yourself.
Yeah. Alright, here you go.
No, because I think that she didn't see it. Come here and say,
No, she did not see a thing.
Oh, she not.
You can put it up here, so.
me look at her fair face.
No, she don't know.
No, but never really want to. Mama can't go home.
Exactly.
That's what we were telling you.
We can't go home.
This is the Divinity touch.
Let's take one picture from
I look like we could have been them Instagram model.
Yeah, it was really nice.
Yeah.
Nice picture, man. Alright guys, so yeah, me not doing makeup. This is all about Trish, okay? I kind of just decided that we want to, you know, extend the video a little bit and make it a little bit more spicy. As you can see, it was really just an interactive type of, you know, makeover session. So yeah, so let's get into it. Shami's going to ask us just a few truth or drink questions. So yeah, and we're going to shot for the questions that we don't wish to answer.
Yeah, answer everything. Because we don't want to drink that.
But then the way they're gonna move you the fireball. So we're gonna drink we're gonna shot Cocomania for all the questions that we don't wish to like answer in detail. So
also, I can't answer what I now have to answer in detail.
yes, you have to answer in detail. Yes, you have to answer in detail. So let's go. Just do 10 questions. We're not drag it out too much.
Alright, so question number 1. If you could sleep with a YouTuber, who would it be?
I said she go on. Me never see them one day now. What? Me never sleep with no YouTuber.
If you can't
No,
find
but
me,
like
take a
my
shot.
feature, no, you can't say Divine is kind of like a YouTuber.
No,
My
he's
feature-
not. Somebody will go on a YouTube channel and produce content for that consistent. Take a shot.
So me determine to have a drink as something start.
So you can't think of a YouTuber you would sleep with?
No, because I never think them weird, eh?
What do you mean?
Well,
So tell Shami. So wait, then she not living with one YouTuber?
Me can't call it.
You can't take it back. You cannot take it back. Listen, it's supposed to be easy for you. Show me start the thing I'm going to you go shot, you don't say you can't drug. Alright, what makes you pass?
no.
Yeah, really so easy.
No.
Show me now let up.
No,
Can't take it
you
back.
can take a shot.
Can't take it back as she had the judge. Come Trish, ready?
Even if I off. Take
Yeah,
off.
you can't take off. You're not going to do it like.
And I asked that, but alright. Go on.
It's a nice, it's alright.
It tastes nice.
Yeah.
Good.
Alright. Well, I never ever get time to answer about the next question. Have you ever considered batting for the other team? I mean, like, if you ever
Yeah.
consider, you know, being without one.
No.
Okay. Have you ever cheated on anyone?
No.
Tristina?
Yes.
Well,
Previous relation.
she's not trying to drink nothing more.
Alright. What's the most embarrassing thing you've done drunk?
Yo. Alright, so we did go beach lime and listen, I dropped about 20 million times till the next day when I was actually sober and a girl came to me and was like, I saw you at the beach lime. You were like lying behind the tree. No, but true. Like, whenever they drunk out to the point where like I black out, like I couldn't, you know, like when you can't remember like blurred memories, like I can't remember them time when I fall, I just couldn't manage myself.
Alright, so you haven't,
Yeah, I have. Remember me drink a lot of Magnum one night at a party, and then we did some more pee, and me, like I sit in it and I'm ball. And then I start laugh, I start crying again, and then I take
You did gun.
Alright, so the next question is, what's your favorite body part on another person?
male or female.
Yeah.
Favorite body part.
On another person?
Toes for me.
Like generally, oh, it's like a general.
No,
It's a general thing. Like you mean on other people, like someone will prefer to sleep on other people, like a body part.
Man.
Yeah.
Specifically.
Okay, so like a body part that I specifically like on to see on a man.
Yeah.
So you can't say teeth. Good teeth, like clean teeth.
So boring.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep it safe.
Alright, the next question is, what's your favorite intimate position?
Drink. Let me drink.
can't talk.
Yeah, talk.
Me in control.
Okay.
Yes.
So specify. We said details.
Like, you know.
Right, so on top.
Yeah.
Okay.
Take your shot, mama. Take your shot.
I'm gonna take my good time to take the
Come
shot.
on, take it. Have you ever been pleasured while driving?
Oh yeah. I mean, we promote only safe driving.
Yeah.
So, you know. Alright. Oh my God, no, I'm gonna light them so here now.
How much question that we're gone? What are you best at under the sheets?
Sleeping. I joke. You know, but not get more shut after these.
That's good. I think you shouldn't. Have you ever been caught being intimate?
No.
Yes.
By who?
Who catch you?
People.
Ooh, like random people or family?
One family member, like, got me there in the couch there, so, and then just come around for going to the kitchen.
Jesus!
I'm there on top and move, and
Oh my God!
I'm gonna bother stop. Just continue.
The way she says. So like, you never did care, or is
never
it
really
just
see
too
me.
good?
They see me already, so when I jump off onto the, they already see me, so I just continue. So till them going to the kitchen and
Them continue do what them do?
yeah, them going to the kitchen for them I go back in the room and
The person did all of that area with
all
them.
of them me. And me just do so till them go back in the room. Yeah, I'm just continue.
So how was the atmosphere afterwards?
No, they don't say anything to me. But on 2 occasions it happened to me.
Wow!
Yeah. Just look and see somebody and look through the window, like him friend come to him and it's like, what they there? I go in and I never look. Me I say, oh, that there the window. Yeah.
Dang. Wow. At least she took shit serious and she not take no more shots.
What is a major kink of yours?
Major. It kind of seems.
Show me and say how we keep doing.
It kind of
Are
seems
you asking
weird.
who asked the question? Eh? Where is it?
My one kind of seem weird.
Okay, go ahead.
Me not think me I go do it,
Yeah.
but me just have it in my mind.
Right,
See
right.
my person,
Yeah.
I do somebody in front of me. But me not do it there, you know. Just sometimes it's like, yeah. I wonder how would I feel.
Yeah.
So you're gonna do a threesome then?
No, not that. Me just want to see.
That not add up. The math is not
She
math.
don't want to be a part of it.
No
She
want to be
just
a part
wants to
of
watch.
it. You just want to watch.
So you want to see Rolley and do somebody.
See if you might go move the same way and I'm going to give him myself.
So it's kind of like a setup.
It's not that.
Not per se, but you know.
That would have bring you pleasure?
It says, it's
I'm
a
like to see it.
So what about you?
Me?
Girl, you should not talk no.
I like that. Like that is.
Next question. Do you own sex toys?
Used to, me throw them out though.
Why?
I don't do those things anymore.
It's your man has to learn and so
I shove that they think there.
No, I don't. It's been like what 3 years I haven't done anything like that.
Yeah. But you know, you do have other kinds that is suitable for a couple.
No, we don't do the couple ones.
Alright, so the next question following that up is, what is your favorite toy?
Be bullet.
Okay.
Yeah, but just let's say that too. Yeah, that too.
No, that's not your
that
favorite.
that too, and that must say.
Okay. Have you ever made a tape? And if you haven't, would you?
Yes,
Everybody will make tape. Everybody make tape. Come
yeah,
now.
make it already.
You enjoy car sex?
Don't we
No,
all?
no, so I never did it yet. No, I never did it yet.
Or you know, too adventurous, like you know, like go road and everything.
No, not like some adventurous, but
You know, like you on the road and for rocks and by the river and the beach and everything.
Do you prefer rough or romantic?
A little bit of both. Mix
Little bit of
it. Mix it.
The final question
Yeah, the final
is,
question.
what's the most number of times you've done it in a row?
in a row,
Yeah.
like in a 1 day span.
No, I think in a session.
In a session.
In a session. How many rounds in a session?
I think 2, not the eyes.
3.
Okay. That's it.
That's it.
Nobody is
Nah,
drunk.
I'm not coming out here no more. I take question that light. I'm not whatever. This is Shami. Shami is a
But the
sketch.
video wasn't actually video. It was just a little.
Yeah, it was just a little razzle dazzle on top of the glam.
Yeah.
But no. Before I end the video, I want to see the reaction for Trish, because she said she never do that hairstyle again. You know, it's a different makeup look, it's a different vibe. You know, soft and glam and sexy. So I wanted to see his reaction towards that. So let's move to that part of the vlog. Let's go.
Yes. Stand up right here.
Alright, yeah, open your eye now. Just open your eye. That's what I wanted. Yes, love
You should be a confused.
it. You should be curious, yeah. We're ready for the wedding. Yeah. Yes. Some extravagant one.
So all them always wedding proposal.
Are you coming consider that?
Yeah, right?
Oh my God!
You make me a lot sweat.
Oh, I'm Yes. Yeah. People go have a drink, you know? Have a sex beach.
So see that word
I'm
play.
just saying.
You know that word play, man. On the beach will go. So it's really love, man. So sure.
Thank you so much. That was the aim. Yeah.
You come on,
Romantic date night.
You come on for me, huh?
Are you come on for?
Yeah, it's never
What you
good.
want to shop? Should I say?
No, for sure. Come on, tell you something.
Shall we come around?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
She really love it.
Preview to what she can look like on the wedding day.
Yo, she just
Preview.
really know what she's doing.
Yeah.
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 Wonder why.
Yeah. Even go back to bar.
Yeah, whenever.
Yeah.
Alright then. No,
Yeah.
you can't make that look your ways.
There's a lot of other places open, so you can check it out, man.
Trisha rolling up the drink.
I don't know.
Yeah, bring you Trisha rolling.
My drink, beers, my
Drink water.
What do you drink?
drink, Japan. Not often, but often.
So like anything with like 10 the most percent alcohol.
10% more thing there.
You saw what that did. It was nice to have you guys today on today's episode of Sumerthon.
Sumerthon.
Yes.
Oh.
Yes.
That sounds good.
It's my vlogathon for summer.
Okay.
Yes. So want me to open the cell?
So straight to the summer you have like.
Yeah, June. Yeah, want me to open the cell? Tell them later.
No, she look really good people, you see me? I said so big up herself.
Ah, thanks.
You make she come out, you see me?
Yeah.
Right about now, I can't ever resist.
Watch your blush.
Eh?
Alright then, we'll tell them later. Bye.
Yeah, big up on herself.
Alright.
We go then.
I don't watch Trish Brown.
Yes, oh my gosh, yes guys, almost forget. Guys, Trish pranked me. Please go and check out the prank.
Wow.
No, you can't tell him.
Come me say yo, a prank, me say a Calabagua, me say I have an idea, she's like, I easy something I don't know. Oh, she not express the idea.
Yeah, she's sneaking.
Yeah, no, but me just keep it pushing. Come and say maybe she still a think about it. Anyway, she pranked me. She pranked me, not even giving a hint.
Whoa.
Yeah. And I'm gonna that will give it to me.
Yeah, oh my gosh. Mommy was not having it. Alright guys, so stay tuned to tomorrow's vlog. Bye.